creation of Kinkos.com is the vehicle by which we are able to play in the internet space.
Whenever there's something that a Kinkos store can print, we will absolutely send it to the store to print. We are here to be the biggest sales agent possible.
It's nice to just design something, place the order, pick it up when you need it.
The exciting thing about the partnership between Kinkos.com and Kinkos is the opportunity to introduce new products and services like Documents on Demand and Print to Kinkos that will allow us to do a better job of fulfilling the needs of our customers, whether it's Soho customers or commercial customers. And as a result of that, we'll create profitable sales for us in the very near future.
One of the powerful things that we're adding online is the ability to help small businesses create these corporate logos and identities so they look real professional. And then to take that corporate logo and identity and to map it onto many different products, from letterhead to stationery to envelopes and the whole thing like that, so that Joe's landscaping business looks real good and they look real professional and they exhibit a lot of confidence. Because what that does at the end of the day is, if we help Joe's landscaping look good to his customers, then Joe gets more customers. And if Joe gets more customers, he comes back and buys more stuff with us and does more business with us. So the more that we help our customers solve their problems, the more that we become business partners with them, and they have even stronger relationships with Kinkos. With the Live Designer technology on Kinkos.com, customers can design their own products and get their own sense of creativeness and see the results right there in front of them. This lets the customer play and enjoy it, and I will tell you, if you haven't used this, you've got to try it. It's really, really fun.
We were thinking about how to make something that's such a complex experience in the real world simple for the customer. How can we take the idea of these abstract ideas of design and make it into steps that the customer can go through simply and in very little time to get the best product.
We are constantly surprised about customers' creativity with what they do with our system and our designs. Is that we recommend that you can put your title here, your corporation name here, but people are constantly kind of bending those little rules and coming up with really exciting new things. We have business cards that come back to us as invitations or free offers. It's really amazing the latitude that the designs in the system brings. But then again, everything's very friendly, very easy, very approachable, so that you don't have to know design. You don't have to know design tools to really get into and use the power of the system.
One of the things we're trying to do is move ourselves from the analog world to the digital world. I think the wave of the future is obviously in the digital world, and we've always been great at paper on glass. What we've got to do is move our business now to the technology world, which is all digital.
Print to Kinkos is a collaborative effort between Kinkos.com and Kinkos Inc., where we put the customer in control and enable them to print, bind, and deliver documents in a time-definite window.
The internet, and especially Kinkos.com, gives us the opportunity to do a lot of that pre-work. Let the customer be creative. Let the customer make the choices at that period in time. And this allows our coworkers to really concentrate on quality within our branches so that everything we produce is done right. So now we have document solutions done right in the branches, and with the internet, we're anytime, anywhere.
The ability to have so many branches available to one customer just at their computer, in their office or at home, is just an incredible opportunity.
The most important thing Kinkos.com can do is listen to the coworkers and to the customers and make the products and services that the customers and the coworkers need. We want to make products that the customers need to get their work done, and we want to make services and processes that help the coworker get the job done more effectively. And all this means is that we'll hopefully get more customers, and Kinkos will get bigger and more successful, and we'll all live happily ever after, right? And so what's important to get our feedback to grow this thing? We need you to contact us, and we need you to contact us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because that's the way Kinkos does business. Contact us anytime at bigideas@kinkos.com. We'd love to hear from you.